This part will be done by
Go to media and it's a construction site, na?
I think click from there. Whatever we have, we should upgrade as much as possible. That's what I told the team. In fact, I told them that we're going to go in all small locations. Yes. Wherever there is a field, we should. Done? This is the column.
yes, sir.
This is the column. Oh, I think this is not here.
While the stands and the lighting will be ready in July, maybe the ground will be ready for superstructure.
Okay.
And seating and everything by October for sure.
So we're looking at Christmas?
Yes.
Easily? Yes. I mean, maybe before that also. Yeah, we should.
Yeah, we are not changing structurally anything, but we are changing the light. By June, I think we should complete it. No? By July, we want the lights. July must one light.
So we're looking at like what, July?
Yeah.
We just get rid of it. It's so hot, you know.
Yeah, yes, we get that.
Yeah. I mean, we're trying to do something, but not really getting there.
Yeah, yeah.
Stand long forward.
Yeah, but those things are second ground.
Second ground.
I think both the back ends are bucket seats anyway.
Okay.
And
Just this level.
Yeah, just
so there were 5,000 bucket seats there.
Open terrace garden, and another thing is around the building jogging track, sir. That is the most highlight issue in India, sir. But because around here, sir, here we can observe, sir. This is the entrance of the jogging track. From ground level to the jogging track will be started from jogging track, and to around the building it will rounds and it will comes down, sir.
Enhancing it.
Yeah, enhancing.
Yeah, upgrade.
So we'll be in a position to host international matches.
Yeah,
Also.
we should be.
Yeah, that also is being taken care of now.
This is part of the
Yeah.
renovation, right? The track and field also are top of the line. So we expect that this particular stadium should be completed within this calendar year. We're expecting that by November end and December first week that we should be able to complete and inaugurate this particular stadium completely renovated. So we are very excited, and once this is complete, as I mentioned, we expect that we should be able to host a large number of events and even international events in the future.